Okay, over here we have the hanger image below represents a balanced equation. So remember, we're supposed to imagine that this here is hanging from something and we want this to stay balanced. We don't want this side to be too heavy because it'll fall down, or that side to be heavy because it'll fall down. So we're going to take the expression from that side, and in this case our expression is just 27, and we're going to set it equal because they have the same weight. If you want to think of it that way, they have the same value for weight, equals this side over here. We don't have multiple b's, we just have the one b, and we just have the 1, 9. So that side would be b, and I'm writing this with my my touchpad, sorry, wrong word. So b plus, oh, that's a beautiful 9. 9. Oh my gosh, that kind of looks like a duck to me. Okay, so we can set this side equal to this side over here, okay? And that's where we get that 27 is equivalent to b plus 9. This here would have been if we had 9 b's dangling down. So we'd have to have 9 copies of b, 9 multiple b's. But since we only have the 1b, we only have the 1b. And we're lazy mathematicians. We could have written the 1 in front, but we are lazy and we don't write the 1. Oh man, that 1's even ugly too. Sorry about that, guys. So what value of b would make this equation true? Well, we're going to have to take this 9 away so we can get the b all by itself, right? So if we take 9 away from the right side, okay, I'm going to try to, if we take 9 away from this side, so if we literally remove that 9, we also have to remove 9 from over here. So minus 9, 27, oh gosh, that's awful. 27 take away 9 is 18. So I'm going to type the answer down here instead of trying to write it, is 18. So with this, remember, we have to do the same thing to both sides. And every time we do something to the left side of the equal sign, we have to do the exact same thing to the right side of the equal sign, okay? We'll get more into solving them here soon.